What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So as you can see on the screen, I'm just showing you the before, how the bed looked like, and as you can see, it was made using a leather fabric, but I don't think it was an original leather because you can see it has started to fade off, and we had to transform it and change the fabric and the design. So the first thing I did here was cutting off the buttons, as you can see, and I was using a blade. So after cutting it, I will be removing the fabric, this leather fabric. As you can see, it is torn off. So that is basically the reason why we are going to be replacing the fabric, and also changing. The client wanted us to change the design of the bed. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. And if this is your first time clicking on our videos, thank you so much, feel welcome. You can also visit our channel, watch more of our content. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. You can also follow us on TikTok. We have two accounts. One is All Things With Us, and the other one is a backup account, which is All Things With Us 2. So you can follow us there. Also on Instagram, All Things With Us, if you want to see more of our content. So this is me cutting the fabric around the edges so that I can remove it, and after removing it, you'll just see the process. So basically, to do this transformation, you only for the tools, you only need a blade, you need a hammer, the nails to use, you also need a circular saw, a saw, or a saw, that is, if that one is to cut the pieces of wood. You can use a saw or a circular saw, the one that you can manage to get. And also you need a glue. Mostly for me, I use a quick fix glue or contact glue to attach my foam onto the frame. Yeah, so those are the materials that you not the material, the tools that you need. And then for the materials, you need a foam. You can use a 2-inch, 3-inch or 4-inch foam for these DIYs. Also you need a fabric. Obviously you need a fabric. Also you need pieces of plywoods, that is to make the frame. And also you need some pieces of wood. Yeah, so those are the basic materials and tools that you need. The rest is just watch our videos, watch more of our content from our channel, so that you can see the process step by step on how you can go about this transformation. That is, if you want to try something like this on your own. And for me, transforming a bed usually takes me some hours. Basically from 9 a.m. to around 2, 3, 4 p.m. depending on the design and the size of the bed. So those are the hours I usually take to make the bed. And I normally do this transformation at the client's home, where your bed is, at your bedroom or your room. That is where I'm going to be transforming your bed. So if you need our services or you need us to do something like this to your bed, you can just contact us through our pages or accounts, or you can just comment here on this video and I will give you my WhatsApp number if you want to reach me out. Yeah, so that is that. And then this is the glue that I usually use in my DIYs mostly. You can find it in your local hardwares mostly, but I normally buy them at Gikomba. And if you are not in Kenya, you can just use contact glue, because I think contact glue is around everywhere in the world. I'm not sure, but I think that is what most DIY people or anyone working with furnitures uses. So this is me just attaching the foam after applying the contact glue on the foam, also on the frame, and I'm just attaching the foam on the frame. After that, I'm going to be making the design that I wanted to make, or the design my client wanted us to make for her. Anyway, let me leave you to watch the video till the end, because I can do a lot of explanation here, but now I have to leave you at this point so that you can just watch, observe, and learn one or two from us. Watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps that I've used during this process. And if you have any burning question or you want to ask for more clarification, you can just comment down below and I will get back to you with the explanation. But I usually try to show you or explain how I usually go about these DIYs. And also you can just keep on watching more of our content because I've uploaded more videos about these DIYs. So you can just visit our channel, watch more of our content, and I'm sure you will get what you want from our videos. So thank you so much. If you have watched this video till this far and you haven't liked it, kindly like the video, share with your friends and family, and comment on it. Tell me something, tell me what you think about the whole process, and thank you so much. See you in my next video.